people, so this is the finished look of this unit. So this unit was sent to me from yswigs.com. Now this unit came pre-colored like this. I did go in and customize this one using the honey brown from Adore. So I did go in and customize the rooted spots so I can get myself some more realistic vibes. So I initially showed you guys styling this up, half down. So it's definitely versatile. So you can wear it up, you can wear it side part, middle part, whatever you want to. So I decided to come back and show you guys what this looks like in a side part. So this is the side part view, and I absolutely think that this unit is super duper gorgeous. The color matches my skin and works with my skin to a T. Definitely major SZA vibes, guys, major SZA vibes. So guys, with this unit, I definitely received a little bit of shedding, which was super duper annoying. I was running my hands through this unit as I was straightening through. I don't know if it was because it was a little tangled or whatever it was. I did receive some shedding that was super annoying. Every single time I was going through here to straighten the hair pieces out, I was getting like strands of hair. So I don't know if that's a processing issue because the hair is super soft. So the hair is not dry at all. So I don't think it's a processing issue. I just think it's an honest and truly shedding issue with this one. Now I'm going to wear it for a few days to really give you guys a definitive review on this one. But so far I think that this unit is fabulous. They did a great job on it. It's 22 inches long and it's about 180% density. So it's definitely a full style unit. I showed you guys it styled half up, half down, and obviously styled like this. So it definitely is a true density. There's no gaps in the back being shown, and you guys can see straight up the color job. Everything about this unit is done very precisely, very well. So I'm definitely going to give YS Wigs a hand clap. I reviewed a 613 unit from them. I reviewed a Yaki unit from them, and this one, their coloring game is just up to par. I'm not sure what's going on with the shedding. I have not received this issue before with my last unit, so I'm a little bit confused and concerned, but I will let you guys know how this works out in my next try on haul next week, so you guys kind of get an update of this hair. But so far, pre-colored wise, they did an excellent job. This is fabulous. It goes really well with my skin, and I think that this is definitely a wig to get. Now I'll leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit from yswigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.